make a quick tutorial on how the tournament module works. So this is the login URL I gave you. You'll log in here with your email and password. And we're logged in. Once you're logged in, you'll see this admin area over here. And we can change this whole design and everything. This is just kind of a placeholder. All right, so now we're in the admin dashboard. And you have a few things here. The main concern is going to be your tournaments. So let's just see how fast we can create a tournament. I have one in there already, 12-team double. Let's do 16-team doubles. And I could choose double elimination and whatever the cost is going to be. And I said 16, I believe. Let's do that. Standard scoring format. And once it's created, just like that, we have a bracket that will advance people as we enter the scores. So you can come in here and score each game. If it's a bullseye, 8 goes there. And it will keep going. And it's best of 3 games is how we have it going here. So once we close that out, it will automatically calculate who the winner is and move them up. Or you could just enter 1 and a 0 here for who won, and it will enter it. But if you score it through here, it'll calculate all scores from all 3 games and then automatically move in the winner from these. So every time you close this, the system will look and see if there's a score there. There's also here you can edit the dates of each match and time and location if you have any locations. There'll be a location tab right here that's coming up in a second. And then you can change team names manually here. And then one other thing, if you need to edit anything, you can come to this admin dashboard. Each tournament has its own admin to change the number of teams or something. Let's say you have some last minute entries. You can do that here. Now we have 18 teams in the bracket. And if we hit public site here, we can see it's now been updated to 18 teams. All right. Also, I wanted to show you how we can just easily register members into these. So if I go back to my kind of main dashboard here, so that's just this main setup that will hold all your tournaments. And then if I go to forms here, tournament sign up, edit form. And if I go to page 2, I can see I had my original 12-team double. I'm going to enable the 16 team. And we can link this form anywhere, anywhere in the world. It can be on your regular website, and you just give people a link, QR code, whatever. They'll scan it. They'll fill out their name. We can drag and drop any fields you want in here to collect t-shirt size, etc. And then you'll get to this, and let's say select the 16. I have the pay later on, but if you have credit card, if you want to collect credit cards, you can do that through our system and collect the payment. I'm just going to pay later. And now I'm going to go back to that tournament just to see that that person was automatically placed on the tournament and an admin didn't have to do anything. So let's go to view tournament. And you can see my Scott Hawes is in there now as a team. Admin didn't have to do anything. If you do need to manually put them in, you can edit right here and put in whoever you want. So Bob, whatever, and then he'll be in there. One of these places, team 2, right there.